You want to start running with me?
I ain't gonna run. I'll just lift them weights. I do like seeing how many weights I can pick up.
Yeah.
Makes me feel good. It used to be a lot. Okay, let's go. What are we doing?
Welding the spindle on.
Aren't you gonna pull on it or something?
I got to pull on it, yeah.
The way you want it?
Kind of like a tape measure. There we go. Whoa, it moved a lot. Or wait, no, I did it off of that. Still looks like it moved a lot, didn't it? 9.
It's not centered in there, dude.
No, it was. Shit's moving around. No. All right, let's give me a tack right there.
This is 2 weeks is up. Which way are you pulling it?
This way.
You're pulling it to you?
To me, yeah.
To you?
Yep, pulling the pin to the rear of the cart.
We'll go right here.
Tack the beam too, because it's pulling the beam.
I'm gonna blow right through it.
Cleaning.
Yeah, he's never had to fix anything to fish track.
It's Monday night, about 5:30. How you doing, Princess?
I'm loading the chains.
I finally figured out the Blackstone. She's cooking now.
Well, fuck, finally. I mean, you said 20 minutes and it's been fucking an hour.
Well, you got to have both propane tanks on and the lever in the center to get enough pressure to light all 4
I'm
burners.
surprised that things ain't empty. Ooh, I wanted to put these in there.
You know what's going to happen with that? We ought to go to a small one. 2-burner
Did you
one.
bring them other ones over here?
Just like
Yeah, don't right
Wow, you sound
now.
confident.
Yeah, they're up there. I put that whole tub up on the bench.
Okay, sweet.
Trying to get this thing out so we can adjust it, fix it. Blackstone's clean, got her silicone covered today, keep the dirt and dust off of it when we're at the track. That'll be nice. It's all cleaned up, ready to go. Behemoth of a crash cart. But it's coming along.
Yeah, she goes one Friday, next Wednesday, and then
Nicholas is going to use his machine and stuff to put some pieces on it.
she's supposed to get
What is this stuff?
Just like plastic, like nylon.
Crash cart's coming along. Pit cart's on jack stands. It is stripped down. They got metal coming for it. I would think it might be here this week. Max took the drawers apart. They're getting powder coated black, so they match. It's going to be black unless we wrap it. Nicholas has been out here working on tires. It's Tuesday night. Can't tell where Daryn's going to fire up cars tonight, I do believe.
You're gonna watch back there? Yeah, I'll kill it if I see the okay. Why does this fucking pry bar keep getting...
I'm trying to use it to flip the switch.
Oh,
You have the rod?
where's this thing?
So we got to make one out.
What?
That thing's turning slow.
That car's turned slow for a year now.
Not that slow.
Which thing?
Like how we came up with that.
We should add more acronym.
Huh? Everything I've done here,
Oh,
I
you're
thought
good.
of you.
All your work looks good.
I thought of you. Everything we do, like, you know what, Doug's gonna be.
Well, there's
really
not a
proud.
street sign on the motherfuckers, so there's a positive.
But you know what? I made mine. Oh, fuck.
You know what he did to me
Oh, fuck
today?
what? There's 3/4 of an inch left to go.
You know what he did to me today? What time did you call me? About 1:30?
No, that was about 9:30.
9:30 this morning. And he goes, hey, you got time to talk? And I'm like, I'm already pissed off because the job I'm working on at work. Yeah, sure. You know my dad? I said, oh, okay. He measured wrong. And that crash cart's too tall. And I was real silent and I was getting ready to tell him, well, that sounds like a you problem. And he's like, oh, I'm just fucking with you.
You guys are really.
He's a dick.
I mean, it really wouldn't have been, but it really.
I would have killed it.
He's
Because I called it. He was the only one at the shop. I'm like, hey, how tall is that opening? He goes, 74 inches. I'm like, perfect. And we built, all our math was for that 74 inches. Because we wanted all the height in the fucking world. Look at that fender, barely fits in that.
The difference is I can read a tape measure. You can't.
I don't know, you fucked me on math before.
12 foot he had. An inch and a quarter. I said, I only need 41 inches.
Do you want a fucked up nut, or do you want him to make you a
You
bum?
ready to fire that?
We can have,
If Dave's ready.
Okay.
we can take a nut and just turn it over and hand it off.
I would have
I'm gonna that before sending me out here. And I'll just, I just gotta get, we gotta get a little fancy here with the knot, you know, the way we cut it.
You didn't turn the ignition on yet, did you? It's all on.
You know what I mean?
Oh, is that one piece?
That's one of those.
Yeah, and then they bent it.
I mean, we can do that. And then.
I'm telling you, there is something wrong with the electrical system in that car. Did you hear that?
What?
That car, you remember last year the car wouldn't turn over?
Yeah.
I don't think
Just
it's
tick,
far.
tick, tick.
And it's doing that again tonight.
That one is?
Yeah.
See if the light's blinking on there.
I'm telling you, there's something, there's like a bad crown.
It's not firing. Light ain't blinking. You got all of them on? Yeah.
See that water ripping around that lake?
Man, it's supposed to be windier than shit tomorrow, ain't it? Like windy.
Some of the days that I really thank myself that I'm not out on the road getting blown around in my little van.
Because it blows them around.
You go work for me?
Oh, you poor little soul.
What about the, well, it ain't gonna matter.
Yeah. Hold on, you don't have the thing. That sounds good.
Just stay over there.
You think you didn't have the hair there, they would have lit your ass. Lost a lot of oil. Where's it leaking?
Filter down there.
Huh?
It came out of the vent.
The overflow?
Yeah. God, you guys fucking scared the fuck out of me.
Why would it be coming out?
Nothing. Check your oil pump belt. Get in here. We were worried about that tracking.
Got our carpets, rugs in, cut to fit. These two monkeys are labeling all the cabinets and the drawers. Doing a fine job. Got them all labeled up, what's in there. It's coming along. Left front suspension, right front suspension,
This won't stay in there.
battery charger, so easy to figure out where stuff is. Well, good Saturday morning, everybody. It is March 8th. I'm gonna finish polishing the front of this trailer, that side of it, and then that's done. Doug is changing out receptacles and the covers for them, because they're all salt 8 and paint off of them. He put our tire grinding machine in here on Thursday. I think Nicholas is going to come out today and paint the inside the box. We'll see if he shows up. I'm getting a lot of stuff loaded up, and it's got a caulk underneath the countertops today. She's coming right along. And Doug's making panels still. I got the front of the trailer done, so it matches the other side. Got the hood up on old girl. Just grease the front end. Clean the windows, put a coat of Rain-X on them. Got to buff them off. See what else we get into today. That's where that panel goes. I gotta drill a couple holes and rivet it in there. And Doug's on the caulking train. He's been caulking full. He got that caulk down, the top caulk down on the braces. That's why the lead's sitting on there to hold it down. These things are never ending. He got the outlets and outlet covers changed on the truck. There's one all the way up front too, but it's getting there. Well, got the dash port tore apart, had the passenger side tore apart, got it put back together. Putting footwell lights in, red. It's awful dark up here at night driving without them. And we're used to them in the last two Freightliners, so we wanted to put them in here. So that's what I'm working on. Done. Got one over here, one in the center, one over on the passenger side floorboard, which it's right up against the floor and not that much light. But we got 3 of them in here, and it is done. Hell, I'd say we're on the home stretch of this thing. She's about loaded with what we got here. Got stuff to load at Daryn's house. Doug got everything caulked under here. He's got to put a piece of trim up there still. And he got this piece of trim put up, this piece of trim put up. We just got it this week from S&S. Put this panel in there. House Daryn's socks and shoes. Step ladder, and have a trash can with a trash bag in it. They got enough caulk all over that thing. Might get to the floor this week to strip and reseal it. I don't know. And it looks like, I don't know what he's doing there. That's got to be pop riveted in there yet. Let's see what's going on with that. He's left already. He had to get going. It's about 3:30 on Saturday. That's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a line. Let us know what you think. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right-hand corner. We'll catch you all next week.